What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to rapidly increase your Snapchat score and get over 10,000 score per hour in the Snapchat app. In no time, you could easily get over 1 million score doing this method. So to start, the first thing that you're going to do is head over to the function where you can add friends, and then you're just going to search up a username. You could do any letter with this really, but I like to do A so that it comes at the top of the screen. If you just spam A's, you'll come up with all these accounts that are labeled just with A's. It's really crucial when doing this that you all have the same letter, preferably A, so it's at the top of the screen and you could get more score in less time because you don't have to do as much scrolling. Alright, so now I'm going to show you exactly what you do. Once you have the A's typed in, you're just going to add everybody that you see on the home screen that has the A's. And then as you can see, you're going to type another A into the search bar. This will give you a whole nother pool of people that you can add, and all of their username starts with A, so they'll all be grouped together and they'll all be at the top when you're trying to send out your Snapchats. I'm going to continue to add some people for a bit if you're still confused, but if you know what you're doing, you could just go ahead and skip to the next step. I also forgot to mention that however many people you add is completely up to you. It really depends on the person. I like to add like 200 or 300, but once you're done doing this method, you might want to remove them just so you don't have that many people added cluttered on your Snapchat. But once you have them all added, it's just as simple as just taking a picture. And I'm going to show you here in just a quick second. But you're just going to take the picture and then just send it to all those people. And then just repeat the process over and over again. And your Snapchat score will go up so much. As you can see, your recents that you just added will be at the top. If they're not at the top, they'll be under the A category anyway, because they're all the same name. It's just spamming a bunch of A's. People also like to rename their name to this just because they know they'll get a lot of ads. Even if the conversion rate and story views aren't even that good. So I'm going to continue to do this process for a while, and I'm going to do it for 10 minutes just as a test. And then you could just times that by 6 to see how many you'll get in an hour. And I guarantee you we'll end up with more than 10,000 at the end of this. And here are the results. As you can see, I only did this for 10 minutes and the time's a little off because I just waited a little bit for my score to settle. But I barely had any Snapchat score before this, so I at least got 1,500 doing this method in only 10 minutes. If you do this for an hour, you could easily get over 10,000. Snapchat will also sometimes give you the option to send the same Snapchat to the same group of people. So it's potential that you could come in and just hit one button and it'll send it to 200 people, and you could just keep hitting that same button again and possibly make over 100,000 in Snap score. This is just a small Snapchat of me on my couch, but if you optimize the settings right, you could possibly get a lot of Snap score and get way over 1 million in the first day. If you did find this tutorial helpful though, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks, and check out our other videos, linked in the description.